Hey, good morning. This is Julian Harper with J. Harper Insurance, and I have been fielding a lot of calls about flood insurance, especially after everything that's happened in Western North Carolina. Our friends down in South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida experiencing difficulties and disaster relief for this hurricane that came through Helene. Um, I am licensed in multiple states, but I am going to talk about a little bit about flood insurance. I know it's kind of a mysterious thing that sometimes people think, oh, I don't need it, or I do need it, or I have to be in a flood zone to get it. You don't have to be in a flood zone to get it, and technically, everybody should have flood insurance. It is a separate policy from your homeowner's policy. Your homeowner's policy protects you from a lot of things, but it will not protect you from flood. That is a separate policy, and you either have to get it through the federal government or you can get it through private insurers. A lot of people don't understand that you can get it through private insurers. This is one thing that you can call and talk to your insurance agent about how do I get private flood insurance. I believe I need it. Um, it's a little bit of and I know I've said this before, but it's a little bit of a mystery to folks. It's kind of mystic. I'm going to post some things on Facebook, also on LinkedIn, and on our company website, J. Harper Insurance, which will be listed as www.jharperins.com. You can click on there and find some information about flood insurance if you're interested in finding out more about it. A lot of times people have been out there and they say, hey, I don't live in a flood zone. Why would I need flood insurance? Unfortunately, with this disaster just unfolding, I think more people are going to understand why you actually need it. And unfortunate for those folks who got flooded, who didn't have it, could be experiencing some problems with trying to get their losses covered. Again, we're going to post some of this stuff about flood insurance. The big deal, I think, for most people would be that you can actually go to private insurers and get flood insurance instead of having to go through the federal government's program. Again, I'm going to go ahead and post all this stuff on our website. You can find me on Facebook under J. Harper Insurance. You can find me under you can find me on LinkedIn under J. Harper Insurance. And also you can visit our website at www.jharperins.com. This is clearly just for information. In your local area, you will have hopefully you have an insurance agent that you're used to talking to. You should call this insurance agent and talk to them. They can help you. They can explain they can explain the process and hopefully help relieve some of the stress that you're having now thinking about the possibilities that could happen and what you are covered and not covered for. And it's always a good idea every year to just do a review when your policies are coming up and talk to your agent about what your coverages are and what they do cover and what they don't, so you can be prepared if something happens. I hope you all have a great day. And again, we'll be posting all this on our website. We'll also be posting on Facebook and LinkedIn. Bye-bye.